How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. It's a nice day. We're going to be doing some tree cleanup. I got some brush over here at the neighbors. I'm going to put down here in my compost pile area, burn it. And we're going to start chopping some limbs off of the mulberry tree we're going to cut down here. It's hollow in the middle, and it's seen better days. And we're going to be putting a yard shed down there next year. So let's go ahead and get to work. We're going to use the Max here with the pallet forks and the bucket, move a bunch of this debris down there. And we may stack some of the wood out of the way for later use, we'll see. But anyway, you just saw me move a couple trailers around here using that clamp-on hitch. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It does work to move trailers around. Again, I got the boat trailer here and the car trailer over there. Pretty easy to do with it, and I'm not saying it's the best option for everything, but it does do a good job to move stuff around the property. So let's go ahead and get another cup of coffee, and we'll get to work. It's supposed to be about 54 degrees today. It's a little chilly this morning, but let's get to work. started cutting down limbs. You can see here, using the old pole saw. It's just an electric pole saw, sitting down here. You guys can see it or not. I've had to run drop cord 9,000 feet down to that tree from the garage. It's quite a little ways there. Got plenty of extension cords, but ideally I just have a gas pole saw. Well, I don't use it enough to make it worth it, and I could just stop and borrow my in-laws, but I want to get this done today, and it's 54 degrees, so I don't have a ton to do. I'm going to get this stuff kind of cut down and get the stuff chunked up here and throw in the pile. All that stuff you'll see down there, it's burning down there. That's left over from the other brush I cleaned up, and it's all burning down. So this mulberry tree here at the very end is going to be going away in the near future, because we're going to be putting a yard shed right here. It's going to be a nice either 14 by 24 or something of that nature. It's going to be a good sized building to put the mower in, the bagger, all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and keep cleaning this stuff up. Ideally you should be wearing more than just eye protection, but it's better than nothing. Probably should be wearing, like the hard helmet, thing, and like the shield and the chaps and stuff. But I want to be careful. I don't have to do a ton. Some small little stuff here. that's going to about wrap it up for today. Hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of seat time on the tractor, cleaning up some limbs here with my poor man's grapple. One day I'll get one, but as of right now I don't really need it, and if I do need one, I have one I can borrow. So anyway, long story short, hope you guys enjoyed the video. You see behind me I have a smoldering pile of brush. There's some new on top from the trees I just cut off, but the rest of that stuff should burn away here and be left with a pile of ashes. There was quite a few big logs in there, so it's probably going to be burning for a few more, well, probably at least another day or so. There's a lot of wood in that pile. So anyways, if you guys liked today's video, or if you made it this far in the video, obviously you're kind of interested in what we're doing here on the channel. If you haven't already, I would encourage you to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you guys get notifications when I post more videos like this. I'll put links down below to the various stuff we use in the episode today, and if you guys use any of that, again, keep in mind it is an affiliate link and I will get a little kickback from that, but it's of no expense to you and it's something that the seller pays out to me. So anyways, long story short, hope you guys enjoyed it again today, and I'm gonna call it quits for the day. It's gonna start getting dark here soon, and get out there, get some tractor work done, enjoy it. This fall's about gone. Again, it's like 54 degrees a day. It's one of the last times you're gonna see me outside in a t-shirt this year. There's a few more days yet, we'll probably get lucky, but for the most part, it's done. So thanks for stopping in to K6 Outdoors today. My name's Kyle. I'll catch you in the next one. We'll see ya.